In this video, I will show you how to get your Ethereum wallet address on Trust Wallet. To do this, you will need to first add Ethereum to your Trust Wallet, and in order to do that, just click on the two circles in the top right, and from here just gonna search for Ethereum. And then here, just make sure that Ethereum is enabled. Now you can see you have it on multiple networks. So for example, here you have the BNB Smart Chain, but I'll just use it on the Ethereum network here at the top. Now after doing that, go and click on Receive from the home screen, and then here go and search for Ethereum. Then here, after clicking on Ethereum, you will now be able to copy your wallet address, and you do need to make sure that you use the correct network where you are sending from. So in this case, it's Ethereum on the Ethereum network. So therefore, I should only send Ethereum to this wallet address using the Ethereum network. So that's how to get your Ethereum wallet address on Trust Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.